Kettler
oiling time.
Yes.
Once in a while they told me to do this. This is consumer, not professional.
Yes.
Run
Household device.
yes, but one of the best.
Yes.
I mean, not something like cheap or. This is some serious machine, which is going to control my health.
Yes, let me.
This they told me to put.
Yes. Once in a while.
Once in a while it has programs.
Okay, the brand is Kettler, as we say in the description. And wait. I don't want.
3, 2, 1, go! This is a kilometer. It's going to be 4 kilometers. If I do this 8 kilometers, and here goes for running.
It goes fast.
Jogging.
Yes.
Which I don't like.
Okay. Can you press the inclination
I put the speed down.
speed down?
Look how it vibrates.
Yes, let
I'm
me
heavy,
do.
I'm heavy, almost 100 kilo, I'm 90 kilo.
Now, do it again.
Fast walking, no running, running fast. I'm 90 kilo.
90 kilos.
Look at my body from far away.
Yes. Okay.
I'm 190, 6.2 feet.
He is 190, 6.2 feet and 90 kilos.
I need exercise,
Yes.
as you can see.
Yes. Now you have it at 4 kilometers.
Mainly for my health, not for my appearance. I don't care so much.
Okay.
As long as I'm not fat, I don't care
Okay.
to make muscles.
Nice.
So now put the speed down. I'll
This
run
is-
some fun.
This is what I wanted to do now. This is why I came close. This is a button, okay? And from here comes air.
Yes.
Nice.
Now
Nice.
what I practice here is decline, making uphill.
Yes.
1.5% I do.
Put it a little bit higher.
I'll do the maximum now, which goes 12%.
I can see it going up. And
There is one cable there.
okay.
I don't want to go that high, not to
Okay.
make damage there.
Okay, I understand.
Otherwise I need to pull it a little bit more behind. And I will stay in the 1.5%. Okay,
Okay.
1.5%.
Uphill,
This
incline.
This is what I usually do here.
Okay.
As I told you, I don't need to stress myself too much,
Okay.
make myself tired
And until
keep-
now,
and
Yes.
give up too early. So I'm going to take it easy, step by step. This is for going uphill. It has the number 12 here, 8 and 4, plus and minus. If I do this 4, it's going to be 4% uphill, 8% uphill and 12% uphill. And this is the speed, how fast it goes in kilometer. since we are in Europe counts with kilometer, which is convenient for me. So speed is here. I can do it piece by piece. This is a kilometer. Or I can press here the number. It becomes 4 kilometer. Usually I run it 7 kilometer or 6.8, something like this, 6.7, something like this. This is how I go. Spazieren machen in meine Zimmer. Going for a walk in my room. Have here my tablet. This is my tablet. Because of the need of the video, I switch it off. But usually I put here like Greek island walking tour from Bill Barba, for example, a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, which is me. That's why I'm talking about this.
And what is he
It's not
posting?
famous. It's not famous. He's just okay. So I'm making in the Greek islands like this, walking tours with the camera. Then I play the video here. I see the video. I see myself from the mirror.
And you have fun.
And the only thing I need is to kill this time, not to feel it.
Okay.
So I'm watching the movie.
What's out?
I'm watching the movie, watching myself, watching from the here, compare every day. My goals is from here to be like this.
Okay.
Only. No muscles, no bullshits. Muscles is not bullshits, but just for joke I say this. No muscles, easy things, easy target, nothing special. This
Okay.
machine, daily use 20 minutes, this tempo. Going to sweat every time.
Okay.
I have to plug in the fan.
Okay, I can see.
Yes,
That's a fun.
I have to plug in the fan.
Also, there are some other buttons
I
here.
can do it later.
Wait. What are you doing?
Okay. Difficult things. Easy things. I'm sweat. That's why. Plug in. You can show them. You see.
The scales here, but not enough. Okay.
Let me
Watch
see.
out. Watch out. Better?
Δεν βλέπω εγώ. Με γυρνάει αυτό.
I can check it.
Α, εντάξει. Let's see.
Okay. Also here it has some other buttons where
Wind comes now.
yes, where you can
It's the same.
arrange the incline from here, not only from here.
Yes.
And here if you put your hands, we can see your cardio.
I put my hands like this here now. And up, left is 0 now. Now 65.
65.
This is too complicated for me. I don't need to know all
And
these things.
if you leave your hands again,
66, 67, takes some time. 70,
okay, around 70.
78,
It goes higher.
84, almost 90, 90 now, 95, until this stops, so I can measure.
Okay.
Just hold the handles.
Yes, you have to
From
hold the
this
handles.
metal part. I'm up to 120 now. 120. 22, 23. Meine Hart. Kontrolliere. I have this fan here because here in Greece it's too hot outside. It's not good idea going in July, June or August outside in the middle of the day for walking. And this is the only way I got this machine. because not possible for me to go out. I'm supposed to improve my health, not to break it under the sun. So here I have the air-conditioned room, also fun, and I can control. I can sweat, go for shower, like gym. My goal is not to have a beautiful body. My goal is to have a regular, normal human's body.
Healthy.
Yes. I'm talking about the looking now. I want to look like a regular guy, which is not fat, which is not looking unhealthy with these things here. So this machine is going to burn here around, degreasing the beers a little bit. I eat very healthy, with good manna when I eat. And when I say manna, I mean not like animal and eating all, even the plate. I eat gently, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is the way you do diet. I realize every time I eat like gentleman,
Savoir vivre.
I eat less,
Yes.
slowly and with cutting the food and like this and sitting there beautifully. I eat less. Ladies and gentlemen, here, as I told you before, if you see up left, I hold this metal part, this metal, holding here, and this starts to count. Holding with my both hands, starts to count. I'm tired because I'm almost 1 hour in this machine. Here says 18 minutes, but before I was doing another video in many languages. I made a video in German language, I made a video in Greek language, I made a vlog for my another channel in Greek language. So 1 hour with this machine. My goal is to not to put all energy into one day or into 1 week, and next week I say I'm out. I don't want this. I want to be in. So I take it easy, make it look like a fun time. This is the fun which gives me air. And watching the movies here when I'm alone, watching myself in the mirror here and there. Degreasing a little bit. It's very nice machine. Really nice machine, really nice, really. No any vibration, no any dragging the material. Very soft. It's really nice. It's like I'm walking in the streets. Really nice. Even better because here has suspension. For example, if I run, look. If I do this here, it's hard. It's really good. And the most important is healthy condition. There is no sun here inside, or terrible temperatures, even cold rain, or dark with some dogs ready to bite you, or any crime in the cities. You are safe home here. I suggest you to try.
Think about it.
Maybe it's good, to be honest. Here was like a garage and many stuff was here, and I always wanted to do this, but there was always something here, always, somehow, always was something here. Things, 3-4 things. And this repair my machine, which was in garage for putting things on it. And in the beginning when I bought it, like 2 years ago, I was doing it. After working hard, moving so many things for my work, there was always something here. And my work had me always outside, going from one place to another, making me exhausting my energy, so I was not running with it. Now I'm back, work is fine, less work now, better health starts now, controlling beers and food running every day, smile to people, be always polite. People who know me, they can say this, always kind to people, not stupid though. And this have a relaxing, healthy life. This is what I'm trying to do. Nothing more than this. This is my goal for the following months.